Our project seeks to develop a versatile color-based sorting arm which comprises of an Arduino microcontroller, a color sensor, and a robotic arm. The system will autonomously sort objects based on their color, offering additional features for manual control through a mobile app and program memory feedback for repetitive tasks. And we can use it in many purposes like industrial uses. We can use it to sort colors.
Hello.
We are sorting objects, right? It will capture the color data from here and it will put in striped pins. Like we have put red, it will come red over there. And object sorting. It will tell the Arduino code to capture the data, right? Which pin it has to put. Just like this, and we have signal detected.
Sir, in additional features, we have two controls. A manual control, which we are controlling from a mobile app and from a micro servo tester. So, as per the demands needed, we will control from the mobile app, but just now we are controlling from a micro servo tester. And second control is program memorial feedback control. So what it can do is that it can sort the colors by the response, and we can just save the steps in the app from here. The steps it is showing here, we can save, then we can run in it, so it will do a repetitive tasks. Means if we are saving it from up to down, so if we will do run, so it will do a repetitive times.
Automatically?
What's it?
Automatically or manual?
We are doing manual.
Manual.
As per the demands, we can do it automatically. We can modify also.
According to the demands. Like it has also Bluetooth control, but
Can you test it?
Yes. So like this, it goes up from this window, then it goes from like this. Then now it is showing red detector, means there is no color just now. So we have blue color in it. It can turn from here to here. Then it can leave from here. If we are taking it down, this is the color sensor.
You can open it.
Yes. It can sort many colors, but as per the demands, we have just done 3.
Red, green. We have done 3. And
right now we are using the primary colors.
Now it is showing red detected.
Why you make different color?
We made it.
Your project detect the color?
Yeah, it can detect colors. If I am showing you the green color, which is working in it. We need green color. It is showing blue detected just now.
Okay.
Now what we are doing? We are just taking it a bit up. Then we are taking it down. Now if we are taking it from here, so now we are taking it with
When we stick it
this
closer
one.
to the light, see.
So now it is showing green detected.
And if you put the blue color, it will show blue detected.
And then we will put red, it will show red.
Test this one.
Now see, blue detected it showed.
Okay.
Now just now we are doing
Show red detected.
red detected, and now we are taking a blue color.
Okay.
So it is showing blue color. And if we are taking it green color, so it is showing green detected.
It will work automatically, but because
It will be better if you work your project automatically.
Yes, sir. We worked on automatically things, but as per the demands needed, we can just install the Bluetooth device. We have made the app We just need to add the Bluetooth device.
You bought this or you're prepared by 3D printer?
We 3D printed. We 3D designed by SolidWorks, and we 3D printed it by a supervision of a teacher.
3D printer, what you do?
What's hard?
And 3D printer, what you do?
For
All or just this?
we did all the plastic models which are there and many components.
Every part.
How many the price for the
Of all, sir, we recommended only 15,000 for printing, and we only recommended 15,000 for just for
15,000 rupees?
rupees for making it, and we just placed 5,000 for the micro servos, and for the total price we cost 25,000 only.
Do you have documentation?
Yes, sir, we have the PPT. For, sir, see?
Maybe the power.
The power.
70?
खोलो खोलो क्रोम खोलो क्रोम खोलो क्रोम. But we could not just apply the code for many colors. We did it, but it was not working. So we did of red, green, and blue, because these are the commonest colors which can work.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Nice.